Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can easily remove background of our photo in Samsung Galaxy phone with One UI 6.0 or One UI 6.1. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, we need to open our gallery application. We're going to use a feature in our gallery to easily remove the background of our photo. And for example, I'm going to remove the background of this photo. I'm going to open it. And if we want to remove background, we just need to tap and hold on the object like this. Okay, and you can click on these three dots. And you are going to click on Save as Image. Okay, and now the image has been saved, and I'm going to check it. It will be saved in the clipped album. I mean the clipped image. That's one. And as you can see that the background of this photo has been removed. And that's so easy, right? Okay guys, and that's how we can easily remove background of our photo using Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.